All right, this is a quick video on me installing the license plate holder. Kind of self-explanatory, but just trying to continue on with me showing everything Mustang 2 related, installing and removing pretty much every single item on this car, no matter what it is. But just figure this may can help somebody as well. But yeah, we're gonna install this. I'm gonna use stainless screws, mounting screws. These self-tapping screws, they're 3/8 inch size, and I already started them. So I can get the license plates hold in position. I'll wipe it off and clean it. And I also inserted these license plate nuts, just a standard license plate nut. They just pop in, you just push them in. Now I'm using these screws these are stainless as well. I think they're 8 32nd screws. So they'll be there. When the plate is mounted here. So let me show you all where these go now. All right, we're all set, ready to go. Looking nice. Let me show you all where these two stainless steel screws we're gonna use. They're 3/8 inch, like I said before, and they go so they go right here. I already got both of them started. Just to be clear, those holes were already there. Those are the original holes. I had the original hardware for the plate to be mounted up. However, I did change hardware using the stainless steel screws, and they come with the self-tappers on it to make the threads in those holes to work with the screws. So that's what I mean by I got them started already. Just use those self-tapper stainless steels to make the different thread cut to work in those holes. That's it, but they were already there. And I did have the original mount. I just didn't want to go back with that. I wanted to go with stainless. It's so hot out here, my phone turned off. That sun is baking. There we go. There we go. There we go. That looks nice. Pretty much even. Look at that. And it's not touching. Now I could wipe off and we're all good now. All right, hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned as we get closer to finishing the car. Thank you so much for watching. Terrence, I'm out. Oh, I do want to mention the rear license plate. Although there's any holder back here, I did do a video on these lights and how to remove them, so I think it's worth checking out. You know, I just wanted to add this because it does correlate with other license plates. So I'll show you kind of bulbs I got in there and everything. I think it's worth checking out. And this looks really good. So yeah, I gotta polish this up too. I sand this down with, I got the 3000 grit here and here. And I gotta get that polished up as well. Everything else I'm pretty much dialed in on. Back here, everything. Yep, just gotta do this. This is just dirt. So just, I think I went from here on down. All right. We're getting close. We're getting close, guys. We're getting close.